How to download and install free MP3 cutter and editor. So if you want to download and install free MP3 cutter and editor, then what you need to do is just go with your preferred browser, and here you need to search for MP3 cutter and editor free download, and here you just need to simply go with any option that you're comfortable with. So I'll be choosing the first one. Once you've selected any website, then here you just need to simply go with free MP3 cutter and editor. You just need to simply go with the right side, which has the external download, and click on it, and it will start the downloading process. Or you can just go with the one which is MuseTips, which will take you to the website right here. And you just need to simply go with more, which is right here. And from here, you'll be able to download it more easily. So you just need to simply go with download free MP3 cutter and editor, click on it, and go with the upper right, which has that downloads, and go with keep, click on it, go with download unverified file, and it might take some time to download. So you just need to simply wait for a few minutes. Once it's downloaded, just click on it, and it will ask you if you want to allow the permission. So just go with yes, and then go with next, and I accept the agreement and go with next, and choose the destination where you would like to install it, and again go with next again. And if you want to create a desktop icon, you can tick on it, and if you want to create a quick launch icon, you can tick on it and then go with next. And here you will have install option. Just click on install and it will start the installing process. It's ready to install. Once it's installed, you'll be able to open it up and you can use that. So that's how you can download and install free MP3 cutter and editor. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.